Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I am going to tell you about Godrej 221L Direct Cool Single Door 3-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 221 liters, compressor type reciprocating, performance 3-star for energy saving up to 35%, defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity and requires manual defrosting. In addition to that, we get base stand with drawer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, for example onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator type top freezer, type single door, capacity 221 liters, number of doors 1, star rating 3, power required AC 140 to 260 volts, warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. And coming to the cost price, 15,690 rupees. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description. To get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.